Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Instagram to N8N. First, go to the N8N platform and click on Add First Step. Now, search for HTTP request and click on it. In the HTTP request settings, select the method you want to use. For example, get, post, delete, etc. depending on what action you want to perform with Instagram. Then, enter the URL for the Instagram API endpoint you want to use. You can get this from the Instagram Graph API documentation. Next, select the authentication type such as none, predefined credential type, or generic credential type based on how you plan to connect. If using a credential type like Action Network API or a similar option, click on Setting Credential and choose Create New Credential. Now, enter the API key or access token that you obtain from the Facebook Developer Portal required for Instagram Graph API access. Once entered, click on Save. Then, turn the toggles on or off for sending query parameters, headers, or body based on the API endpoint you're using. Once all fields are filled in, go back to the workflow, click on the play icon to test the request, and check out the output to confirm that Instagram is connected successfully. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.